more to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you an app that you can actually use to make and to earn money. As you can see, I'm on my phone home screen. You can see, and the app you can use to make money is referred to as mercadolibre. You can see it on the screen. Let me click it so that you see it. This is the app I'm going to be using to make money. As this is my own order for. If you have been given 50 order with your commission, this is my balance. As it is read. Also, I'll be taking you to the videos on how to register and to make nothing less than $5 a day, which can be withdrawn. It takes just 24 hours. So to call, as you can see, there's a deposit, there's a withdrawal. So I'll leave my link behind below. In case you want to register, you can register through that link. Also, I'll also be taking you to the process on how to register. Simply when you click on the link, just follow the directive here. Okay. When you do, you can also invite others. And for every invitee you bring, you have a chance of getting $15 for every referral. Both you and your referral, as your downline, receive $15 each. Okay, this is the app again. You can see it's legit. This is about the company. It's your personal info. It's everything in your withdrawal, your name. Also your order. You have been given 50 orders a day. And all you need to get this started is just a token of $33. You can use to start approximately 20,000 or 19,000 about. You can use to start up. And when you register, for you to get your $15 bonus, you must deposit a minimum amount of $30, which is approximately 18,000 in Nigerian currency. You can see about the company here. It is a grocery mercadolibre, one of the most low commerce platform present. You can see it's legit. It's not only in Nigeria, and it's been established since 1999. It has been run in other countries. So recently it came into Nigeria. Also, you have a chance of talking to their, let me go to their customer care forum. They have a customer care which you can talk to in case you have any issue online. Just click on it and refer your issue to them. Okay, that is all for now. In case you want to register, my link is below. And also you can also DM me on my WhatsApp, which I will be putting also below. Thank you very much.